Hello everyone. Let's decorate the word blossom. That would be the first category in my Tangle Marathon. I'm preparing my journal on a 9 by 12 inch mixed media pad, and in this video, I'm just writing down the title Blossom. That would be the first category in my this Tangle Marathon series, which I'm starting on every Sunday from the September onwards. Every Sunday we are going to draw lots of tangles based on the categories. The first category would be blossom. That's why I'm decorating my page and writing down the title, preparing myself, which as you can see since past week, first I checked all the micron pens and then I prepared the title Tangle Marathon, and now I'm preparing my first page with the category. There are various categories. The first category would be blossom, where we are going to draw lots of tangles based on that category. I'm super excited. Again, I'm preparing my journal on this mixed media pad. I'm going to use various different kind of micron pens. I'm going to use various pencils, maybe the colored pencil, pastel pencils, charcoal pencils, graphite pencils, tortillons, and I'm decorating this blossom word with as an embedded style. If you want, you can use the golden color instead of the black, and you can decorate the title. It's absolutely up to you how you want to decorate this title. It would be great if you can write this blossom category name beforehand, before the class, on your own style, or you can just write down simply in the typing letter or the cursive letter. It's absolutely your choice how you want to write down these letters. Our main purpose of this session is to create a beautiful resource or a journal so that we can draw all the different angles based on that categories. So we can use this resource later on whenever we are deciding or designing any tile, any mandala, zendala, or any project which is related with the pattern drawing, because we are going to draw lots of tangles or the patterns together based on their group. So whenever we are designing any tile and we are looking for a particular kind of the pattern that can fit in that category, we have our resource handy, ready to use. So I hope that will be a good resource for you, and that's why I'm very excited and preparing this journal. I hope you all are also excited and preparing your journal too. Don't forget to check your supplies beforehand, what you want to use over your journal, because there are various different kind of papers and they support one supply better than other. So please check all your color pencils versus all the pastel pencils of a different brand pencils or the pens. So I hope you all are ready. I'm ready. Write down in the comments below of this video, what do you think about this Tangle Marathon series? Are you guys excited and prepared your journal? If you are preparing this title Blossom with me, don't forget to share the picture at my Facebook page. I'm going to make a post of it.